In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your WordPress URL. This quick and easy process will help you locate the WordPress address and site address, which are essential for various administrative tasks. Let's get started by visiting the official WordPress website. Open your preferred web browser and navigate to wordpress.com. Once you're there, you'll be prompted to log into your account. Enter your credentials and click the Login button. After you've successfully logged in, you'll find yourself on the WordPress dashboard. This is the central hub where you can manage all aspects of your website. Now, let's move on to the next step, accessing the settings. On the left-hand sidebar, you'll see a menu with various options. Look for the Settings option. It's usually located towards the bottom, just above the Logout button. Click on Settings, and you'll be directed to a new page with several tabs related to your site settings. From here, our next step is to click on the General button. This tab is one of the most important areas as it contains all the fundamental settings for your site. Clicking on General will bring you to the page where you can adjust primary details about your website, such as the title, tagline, time zone, and more. As you scroll through the General Settings page, keep an eye out for two fields that contain crucial information: the WordPress address, URL, and site address, URL. These fields are typically located towards the top of the page. The WordPress address is the URL where your WordPress files reside, whereas the site address is the URL visitors will enter in their browser to reach your site. Ensure you note these URLs carefully. They're vital for configuring plugins, setting up email notifications, or if you're planning a migration to another host. It's important to avoid making unnecessary changes to these addresses without understanding the potential implications, as doing so could make your site unreachable. In summary, finding your WordPress URL involves logging into your account on WordPress.com, accessing the Settings section from the dashboard, clicking on General, and locating the WordPress address and site address fields. Remember, these URLs are your gateway to essential site functionalities and should be handled with care. I hope you found this guide straightforward and helpful. Feel free to pause, rewind, or revisit any section if you need additional clarity. If you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, don't hesitate to leave a comment below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more WordPress tips and tutorials.